And breaking news coming in, a luxury car owned by Maharashtra State BJP President Chandrasekhar's son Sanket has hit several vehicles in Nagpur. The car driver has been arrested and his blood samples have been sent for medical test. Occupants were returning from a beer bar as per police. Take a look at what exactly the cops said.
रात की घटना है। सेंटर पॉइंट होटल के सामने ये घटना हुई है। एक कार ने दो कार और एक बाइक को डैश करके वो भाग गई है और भाग गई थी। जख्मी कोई नहीं था उसमें और उसका गुना दाखिल कर दिया है। दोनों आरोपियों को अरेस्ट भी कर लिया है और मेडिकल जांच भी करवा ली है। आगे की कार्रवाई चालू है और आरोपी के नाम अर्जुन हावरे और रोनित चिंतनवार है।
My colleague Radhika Ramaswamy is also joining me. Radhika, take us through the details. The car exactly belongs to Maharashtra State BJP President. Take us through what exactly happened.
That's right. This is an Audi car owned by Maharashtra BJP President Chandrasekhar Bavankule's son, hitting several vehicles in Nagpur. This happened on Monday. In fact, two occupants of the car were arrested, including the one who was behind the wheels. However, Sanket Bawankule, who's the son of Chandrasekhar Bawankule, fled the spot along with two others. In fact, reports also suggesting that those who were arrested, the two of them, were intoxicated at the time of the accident. In fact, all the occupants of the car were returning from a bar, is what the police officials are telling us. There were a total of 5 people in the car, including Sanket at the time of the accident. In fact, the car hit another car and two bikes as well and injured 2 people. So at this point, of course, a case of rash driving and other offences have been registered on complaint of one of the victims of this accident. We are also hearing that 2 of them who were arrested have been released on bail. Of course, Bawankule has reacted to the incident. He has said that he's admitted that the Audi was registered in the name of his son. His son was there at the time of the incident, and that police should conduct a thorough and impartial investigation into the accident without any bias, and those found guilty should be charged and action should be taken against them. However, this has turned political, Aditi, with the Congress party not leaving any stone unturned in attacking the BJP, saying that BJP leaders are trying to protect Bawankule's son. But at this point, of course, no reaction coming in from Sanket Bawankule, who actually fled the spot post the accident.
Right, Radhika, it remains to be seen whether the BJP government, which has been under tight spot over this incident, will walk the talk now that the BJP Maha Chief's son is involved in the case. Thank you so much, Radhika, for joining us and sharing those details.